Hello and welcome to Historical Beep Beep with Nick and Badger and me, and we are on a field called Hammered, and this is the field where Nick found his first hammered coin. It's one of Nick's permissions. He's found a lot of Roman and a Saxon coin on here, and loads of Roman coins and a Saxon coin on the field over behind that tree. And so we're desperately trying to find Roman stuff today, but there are medieval hammered coins and lots of lead and junk. I've got a nice sounding target though. It's quite high. I've been digging lots of 5s and 8s, really low numbers, which have been tiny bit scraps of metal, but this is giving me a 56, 57, yeah, which is a much nicer sound. And it sounds nice and clean and hopefully round, and it's down in here somewhere. Is it there? It's not in there. Get a handful. Is it in there? Oh, it's in my hand. I can't see anything silver. I was hoping for a hammer. Is it a button? Looks like it might be a button. No. Looks like it might be a denarius. I think we might have a Roman coin, ladies and gents. I'm going to have to clean this very gently. I will be back very shortly. Oh my golly gosh. That, ladies and gents, is an ancient Roman silver denarius. This is my 11th Roman coin and only my 2nd silver denarius. This one looks like it's from the Empire, because that looks like an emperor. My other one was Republican, it was pre-Empire, so this one's a little bit later. It's 2,000 years old though. There's some Roman god on the back. I'll be able to find out exactly who that is. It should be coming up on the screen. And that head, is it Augustus? He looks quite young. Oh wow, it will be coming up on the screen which Roman emperor this is. I'm very, very pleased with that. That's the best find of the year so far. Come on 2025. Let's have some more of that today. Very happy with that. Thank you very much, Hammered Field. Thank you very much indeed. I'll see you at the next hole, ladies and gents.